Good day everyone, I'm Philip Josh Angelo Manalo and I am from Mechatronics Engineering 1201, Group 6, and I am here to present and discuss how our final project report, Smart Study Assistant Console-Based Training Productivity Toolkit works. So first thing, ito po yung code namin and we're using language Python 3. So, first run po natin. Makikita nyo po, to-do list menu. This is fast because una po natin, pipili po tayo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sa 1, makikita natin si view task. Sa number 2, add task. Number 3, complete task. 4, delete task. And 5, exit. So, para makapag-add po tayo ng task, kailangan po natin i-input si number 2. So, dahil malapit na po yung final exams, ilagay po natin review for finals exams. Okay. Input pa po tayo ng isa pa. Workout. Input po tayo ng isa pa para maipakita natin na maayos. Dinner with family. And then, para makita nyo po kung ano na yung mga task na nakalagay sa inyo, just input po yung number 1 and makikita po natin yung 3. Review for final exams, workout, and dinner with family. Ngayon, pagtapos ko nyo na pong gawin yan, yung task, just input number 3. And then, pipiliin nyo lang po alin dyan yung natapos nyo na. Dahil ako po, tapos na po ako makipag-dinner with family kagabi. Ito po, number 3. And then, just input number 1 ulit para makita nyo kung gumana siya. And yun, gumana po. Nakita nyo naman po sa right side ng dinner with family, may check na pong nakalagay. And para po makapag-delete, kunyari, ako po, hindi ko na po kasi magawang mag-workout kasi busy nga po. Ilalagay lang po natin ay delete o yung number 4. 4. So, i-delete po natin si workout. Medyo mabagal. Yan. Tapos po, i-check po natin kung na-delete siya. And yun, na-delete na po si workout. So, pagtapos nyo na po lahat gawin yan, pwede na po siyang i-exit by inputting number 5. And yun, ganun po gumagana ang aming unang code for final project. So, ito po, next. Ito po yung next, yung pangalawa po naming code. Just simply run. And yun, makikita nyo po, parang yung kanina lang din po sa una, note menu, 1, view, 2, add, 3, search, 4, delete, and 5, exit. Siyempre, una pong gagawin, mag-add, review for finals. And lalagay po dyan content, lalagay nyo lang po yung content. Pwedeng formulas, for integral calculus. And then, add pa po tayo ng isa pa para makita natin. And then, lagay po natin dyan aral physics. And then, yung content, pwedeng yung content ng exam or pwedeng formulas din. And then, para po makita natin, is simply 1. Yan. Yan. Nakita na po natin. Review for P6 final examination, integral calculus formulas, and aral P6 formulas. Yan pa. And then, pagka po medyo marami po kayong task na nakalagay, pwede nyo pong gawin is search 3. Yan. Search nyo lang yung natatandaan nyo na unang word. Pwedeng review. Yan, review. And lalabas na po dyan yung review for final examination, integral calculus formulas. Yan po.
To-do list module. This Python program is a simple task manager that lets user add, view, complete, and delete tasks using a menu. It stores tasks in a list and updates their status based on user input.
As a mechatronics engineer, This logic is useful for organizing project steps like sensor setup, coding, and assemble. It also mimics how embedded systems handle menus and HMIs, making a good foundation for automation or hardware interface development.
Note-taking module. This Python program is a simple taking app that lets user add, view, search, and delete notes. It stores all notes in JSON file. Notes JSON so they are saved even after the program closes. Each note has a title and content, and user can manage their notes using a menu.
As a mechatronics engineer, this program is useful for documenting test results, design ideas, troubleshooting steps, or sensor values during a project. It also teaches how to handle file storage and user interaction, which are important for building data logging systems, maintenance logs, or HMIs, embedded and automation systems.
The overall functionality of both the to-do list and note-taking program is to help with organizing tasks and managing information, two essential skills in mechatronics engineering projects. They are simple but reflect the same logic used in real-world systems like machines, maintenance dashboards, and microcontroller menus.